Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Vicky. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. It has been long since I did a voiceover on a video, but I feel like this needs it, so we're gonna do that today. Yeah, so this is a simple rubber band hairstyle that can be done on any type of hair, for C, for A, whatever, whatever type of hair you have, you can do this. Yeah, so the first thing that I do is divide my hair into two parts, as you have seen in the video, the back section and the front section. And in the front section, I am working with a side part. So like I said, I am doing a side part, and I do go ahead and divide my hair into two parts because I'm doing a side part. Yeah, the front part divided into two parts, and then go ahead and divide the first part into a small portion, like a cornrow portion. That makes sense. And yeah, so you're going to need rubber bands for this part, and what I do before using the rubber bands is apply oil on them. This kind of helps with hair breakage. It does not damage, the rubber bands do not damage your hair when you put oil on them, and they will be easy to come off. Yeah, and after doing that, I do go ahead and use hair gel to slick the part that I'm working on, and yeah, then go ahead and tie it with the rubber bands. Literally that's all I'm doing, but I felt like I had to do a voiceover for this first bit, but basically that's all I'm doing for the whole front part. So yeah, keep watching, and I hope this is helpful. Yeah.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is mine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So I went ahead and finished the rest of camera because I was clearly exhausted. And yeah, after doing the front part, so I do go ahead and turn the back part into a ponytail. So what I do is brush my hair upwards. If you are planning to stay with this style for a long time, for like a week or two, you could go ahead and use gel or freeze spray or something that will hold your hair for long. But I normally do these hairstyles and I don't do them the same day, or like stay with them for like a day or two, so I don't apply that much gel or wax on my hair. So I just went ahead and did a ponytail on my hair with nothing, but like, yeah, I already say that. And I had done a ponytail before, like I had made a ponytail out of braids before starting the video. I was using it for another video, so I thought, why not use it here too? So what I do is put it on normally, and then I do go ahead and use I'm braiding hair to wrap in between my natural hair ponytail and braided ponytail to cover the space, an illusion. Yeah. And yeah, basically that's it for this tutorial. Yeah, that is it. And I was obsessed with the outcome. Like, I loved it. So yeah, I hope you do too. And if you do like it, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. A nice comment. And if you do have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Bye, and thank you for watching. Till next time.
I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why.